Alright guys, update here. Got Holley carburetor up in there. Just need to tighten it down to work on these fuel lines and get the fuel filter installed because these don't have a fuel filter integrated like the original. I have to put one in line. Um what else? Valve covers. Got these valve covers for racing. They're the aluminum ones. They're tall, so the roller rocker is actually clear. I just have them kind of like set with a couple of the original screws because I had to order the screws. They're like little over 3/4. These screws, the original, I tried using them and they don't work because they have a flatter bottom, the valve covers, so they're too long. So I'm just waiting for those to come in and tighten them down. Got a PCV valve. This is like a little billet one that goes in there. It's pretty good. Fits in there. It's a push in. And I got the Ford Racing breather. This one is gonna the hose is gonna go to the air filter. I'm just getting. I got some lines connected. Hoses right here for the EGR. I made a video on how to adapt this carburetor. It's the Holley Street Warrior, sorry, 600 CFM. How to adapt it to fit your stock EGR plate, EGR, and aluminum cooling plate. Okay, that's all the stock system and everything clears perfect back there. You have to modify the carburetor. Check out that video, okay? And so we're getting there. Valve covers, carburetor, and I got some stuff for the transmission shaft seal, and probably be working mounting the transmission soon to this fan. I'm not gonna do the electric fans right now because the good one, the Contour with the controller switch, is like $700. Yeah, I don't want to do that, so I'll be putting the original fan on it with the shroud for now. That's fine. Later on, if some money comes, I can do that. But the thermostat housing hose is connected also. The heater hose is bypassed into the water pump because I have a bad heater core and the dash needs to be changed. I don't use it. So yeah, we're getting there, guys. Take care.